Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on MUMU Player. MUMU Player is a popular Android emulator that lets you enjoy your favorite mobile games, like Pokémon Go, right on your computer. This offers a much larger screen and the convenience of keyboard and mouse controls. First, you'll need to download and install the MUMU Player application onto your PC, which is a straightforward process taking only a few minutes. Once MUMU Player is installed, the next step is to get Pokémon Go onto the emulator. You can do this in one of two ways. First, you can download the Pokémon Go APK file from a trusted website and then simply drag and drop it into the MUMU Player window for installation. The second option is to use the built-in App Store within MUMU Player to search for and install the game directly, ensuring you have the latest version. Now for the crucial part, setting up your location and controls. MUMU Player includes a powerful virtual GPS feature, allowing you to set your in-game location anywhere on the map. You'll use the emulator's map interface to pinpoint your desired spot. Additionally, you can map keyboard keys to control your character's movement, such as using the W, A, S, D keys, and assign other actions for a seamless experience. To ensure a fun and uninterrupted experience, it's vital to follow some safe play guidelines. When using the virtual GPS, avoid jumping extremely long distances, like hundreds or thousands of miles, in just a few seconds. Always allow realistic travel times between your virtual locations to prevent triggering soft bans or other account issues. Playing responsibly ensures you can continue to enjoy Pokémon Go on MUMU Player without any problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.